When we were choosing our countertops, I wanted something that was beautiful but easy to maintain with a family of busy kids. I'm very concerned about having a sanitary environment, and I was told by a designer that granite can cause mold underneath the surface, and that concerned me, and so I appreciate that we can remedy that problem through stone care. I appreciate the steaming qualities that this has that lift not only the residues but also the germs away. It's great to know that in addition to the sealing, protecting, the disinfecting services that we get, we also have the option of chip repair and seam maintenance. I'm grateful for the services that continue even 2 years after we've been in our house. Countertops are a huge investment, so we wanted to be able to maintain that quality for years and years and not have to make replacements later on. I would recommend Stone Care to anyone who has purchased granite countertops as a way to maintain their investment. No matter where they bought it from, they can use Valley View Stone Care to preserve that quality. I appreciated working with Valley View in selecting our granite. They were wonderful to work with, but I also appreciate the follow-up here 2 years later. They're allowing us a way of maintaining our purchase, and that means a lot.